Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the color palette list on the YesWriter application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the lower bar and click to the last icon, the profile icon at the lower right corner of the home screen, and here you can find the second button, the color palette list. Click that, and here you can check your color palette, and if you want to add some color for that, click to the next plus icon and you can select different colors, and if you select, just click to the select button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.